This is an unboxing of the Victorinox Swiss Army knife Angler. This is the Angler version, model number 1.3653.72, Angler Red. Comes in this nice usual standard Victorinox box, not in the plastic wrap. Some code from the shop. That's the barcode. This. Oh, it's pretty thick. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's the metal shave. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. But wow, this fish is really nice. This fish is really nice, and it's the same polishing as the Victorinox shield logo. Same as the shield. I like this fish. Oh, looks really solid on this one. Okay, so let's see what tools we have here. There is the ring. Then you have the toothpick, standard. This one is hard to pull out. Oh, tweezers. To see with my own eyes. Okay, the scales look better. I think it's just residue. Oil, I think, yeah, it looks like oil. So what we have here, there's the corkscrew. You can use it for a lot of things, not only to open bottles. There another feature, there is the hole for a pin. You can place a pin there. Oh, lots of oil here. The owl for sewing, making holes. Let's see on this side. There is the small blade. It's super sharp. I'm really trying to do my best not to get hurt showing you this. Oil residue. The polishing is really well made. Solid. So on this side it says Officer Swiss, and on the other side Victorinox Swiss made stainless, as it's usually like this on most. It's not the fish scaler, but still. And actually you can use this to get the hook out from the fish. You put it in the mouth. This is actually pretty useful for fishing. So you have this side is in inches and this side is in centimeters, 7 centimeters and 3 inches, kind of, I think. But this is actually, this tool This tool is more solid than I thought. This is not sharp, it's made to remove the scales. And now the highlight, it's the pliers, they call it. Oil residue. They're actually pretty solid for a pocket knife. Yeah. And also there is this ragged edge there, so it will really catch. And this is as far as they can open, biggest opening. And you have here wire cutter. You can actually cut fishing line with this, you don't need the scissors. Okay, looking forward to try that one. There is the can opener, standard can opener. Can opener with the screwdriver tip. And the cup lifter, nice regular cup lifter mixed with a wire stripper. Opens halfway. Nice screwdriver tip and nice locking actually. So wow. Okay, that's the Angler.